Muay Thai fighters, if you want to lessen your soreness for your next session, try these 3 foam rolling exercises. So when we're doing a lot of clinching, you're getting a lot of pressure on your neck. That's going to pull it forward and cause a lot of tension through there. So the first one we're going to do is foam rolling in this region here. So we're just going to place the foam roller into our hairline and just roll your head side to side. So with this one, the bigger your head, the more pressure down onto the foam roller. So the second exercises is going to be for enhancing your kicks in through here. So your adductors, we're going to place our leg on the side and just roll them out. When we've been doing a lot of kicking, we're using a lot of mobility through the hips, so we need to keep them nice and relaxed, particularly so you can come into the next session feeling fresh. So we're going to place the foam roller between these 2 bony bits here. So coming right onto your side and just rolling forwards and back. Just release all that tension. And this is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist, and I hope you found this video helpful.